Introducing the precision-engineered 35-ton hydraulic 4-post trim press from MetalPress. This specialized press is designed for manufacturers who require exacting standards in trimming and forming applications, ideal for the metalworking industry. The 35-ton trim press excels in delivering controlled, powerful trimming and forming operations with its hydraulic system, ensuring high-quality finishing. Constructed with a robust 4-post design for stability, it features advanced hydraulic controls for precision, safety sensors to protect operators, and user-friendly interfaces for ease of use. Customization options include adjustable stroke settings and die space for different workpiece sizes, along with optional automated feed systems to boost efficiency. This press is tailored to handle medium-scale operations with a 35-ton capacity, meeting a wide range of manufacturing needs. Offering precision, durability, and safety, the 35-ton hydraulic 4-post trim press enhances production quality and operational safety with minimal maintenance. Discover the precision and power of the 35-ton hydraulic 4-post trim press. Visit MetalPressMachinery.com for more information on enhancing your manufacturing efficiency.